Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we have an exciting gadget that will transform your everyday routines into fun-filled experiences. The POMUIC Shower Speaker boasts 8W stereo audio drivers, delivering crystal clear sound with deep bass. It's like having a mini concert right in your bathroom or outdoor space. This speaker is IPX7 rated, making it resistant to water, rain, and splashes. It even floats, making it ideal for pool parties or beach outings. Connect two devices simultaneously to create a 360-degree surround sound experience. Perfect for gatherings, ensuring everyone enjoys the music from every angle. Bluetooth 5.3 technology ensures fast and stable pairing with your devices. Say goodbye to frustrating connection drops. The speaker features RGB lights that sync with the music, setting the perfect party atmosphere. It's a visual treat during evening gatherings. Enjoy hours of music and entertainment on a single charge. Quick charging ensures it's ready for your next adventure. It's hard to find any significant downsides to this speaker. It delivers on all fronts, providing excellent sound, durability, and versatility. The POMUIC Shower Speaker is a game-changer, elevating your shower time or outdoor gatherings to a whole new level. With its immersive sound, waterproof design, and dazzling lights, it's the ultimate party companion. Don't miss out on the fun. Grab yours today and turn ordinary moments into unforgettable memories. That's it for today's product critique. Stay tuned for more exciting reviews and recommendations.